Hey, what's up guys, Zephyrus here, and today I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to be teaching y'all how to watch free movies and TV shows on whatever device you're running on. This will also work on mobile devices. If you guys are wondering, this method supports mobile devices. That includes iPhones, Android devices, and a lot more. So pretty much you're all set to go. And pretty much if you guys also would like to watch movies and TV shows on your TV, you can do that. Just connect HDMI cable from your laptop or PC and connect it to your TV screen and it should be fine. So basically the first thing you want to do is go to Google and search for C Movies HD. So pretty much after that, just go to the first link and make sure the URL is cmovieshd.net. If it's something else, it's probably not the right site. So pretty much after you go inside, it will redirect you to this page, and it's pretty straightforward. It has a pretty simple user interface. Pretty much you can browse for the movies, TV series, and I'm just gonna give you guys an example. I'm gonna go show you guys, why not, Breaking Bad, sure. So pretty much I'm just gonna play a few seconds of Breaking Bad to show you guys this method legitimately works. And as you guys can see, it works. And yeah, it's 43 minutes. And also, you guys can also download as well. So it's really easy to do. You can download movies, watch it offline later on if you guys want to. But yeah, that's pretty much how you watch free movies and TV shows. Really simple. And yeah, so that's pretty much it guys. Hope you guys did enjoy this video and hope this video was informative. But anyway guys, if you guys are new, be sure to drop a like and subscribe for more content in the future. But yeah guys, that's about it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.